Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by softening the adhesive so the sticker peels cleanly. Apply steady heat with a hairdryer for 1 to 2 minutes, holding it about 6 to 8 inches away. This warms the glue without harming the composite. Once warm, use a plastic scraper or an old credit card to lift an edge, and then pull the sticker back at a low angle. You want controlled, steady tension. If it tears, reheat and repeat, because gentle removal preserves the stick finish and avoids residue. Once the sticker is off, you often face sticky residue. Here you switch from heat to chemistry. Apply an adhesive remover or 70–90% isopropyl alcohol to a microfiber cloth and blot the residue so the solvent breaks the glue bond. Make sure to avoid acetone on painted or composite finishes because it can damage paint. Then use a plastic scraper and circular wipes to lift the softened adhesive. If the glue firms up while you work, reapply heat and repeat. This combination of heat and solvent speeds removal safely. You finish by thoroughly cleaning and protecting the stick. Wash the area with mild soap and water, dry it, and then apply a light wax or polish to blend the finish and add protection. If you notice minor scratches or finish loss, sand lightly with fine 600–1000 grit, clean off dust, and apply a small amount of clear touch-up coat. Let it cure. If adhesive won't come off, repeat the heat plus solvent cycle, and make sure you test any chemical or repair on a hidden spot first to avoid surprises.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.